Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode on Mighty Modelshop Creations. Today, we will be visiting a 105-year-old model store. Without further ado, let's roll the intro. Alright, so starting off, they have just a small selection of big rigs. They have some Italy kits, some Revell Germany kits, and down here they have some van, like customized van stuff. They got trucks. Ford Bronco I already have. It's pretty cool trailer. I like that camper van. It's actually pretty cool. Yeah, this is just a small part of their store. There's more kits. I thought this one was pretty cool. Almost got it. That's a new kit. And they also have a boat section, and it's mostly military related. And then they also have a Star Wars section over here, some different stuff. And this one over here, I'm gonna go to it in a sec. That one, I've never seen that before. I thought that was pretty interesting. Same with this one down here. That one would be a really cool diorama to do. And over here, they had this little rack with, I guess, NPCs like... Oh yeah, they also have bikes. Which, I mean, they are part bicycle store, part hobby store. So I can see why they might have ordered those. That one I thought was pretty cool. This is their big section of car model kits. They have lots and lots of different types of cars, different categories. Some new, some older. Sorry. Yeah, they got Revell Germany London Taxi and a Lamborghini Diablo, I'm pretty sure it was called. These ones, I like the Chevrolet. I've been wanting that Surfshark for a while. And that 300 SL, it's pretty awesome. And that one, I've never seen that one before. I also had more over here. And this one right here. That 57 Chrysler is cool. But look at this Dodge 300 Superstock. That one I regret not buying. Look, $17. I should have got it. I regret it. Then Jaguar E-Type is pretty cool as well. And they also have a Tamiya paint rack. They were actually restocking it the day that we came in. So that is really awesome. They also had a Mel's Drive-In HO scale plastic model kit. And for you guys that like dioramas, they had a lots of Woodland Scenics diorama stuff, which is great for people that like railroad stuff. Oh yeah, I'm not sure who these builds are by, but I love them. Especially that Woody. That one is very interesting. They also have aircraft, which are awesome. I also love that dragster all the way to the right. That one's really awesome. Space shuttle looking thing. I've never seen that one before. Huge Harley Davidson. I couldn't get up close enough to that diorama, unfortunately, but I'm sure it looked amazing. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed that little snippet of their hobby store. Here's their business card if you want to call them to reserve a model kit that you like. It's called Steven License Limited Bicycles and Hobbies. since 1918. That's over 100 years old. It's located at 288 Front Street, Belleville, Ontario. You can see the phone number right there. And the store owner, this nice lady named Anne, gave me this model railroad advertisement. And you can go to this secondary school in Belleville from March 25th to the 26th this year. If you guys like model railroad, I'm not big into it, but you guys might be. And last thing, this is for Kingston Modelrama. So this happens usually every year, but it's been on hold for the past 4 years because of COVID, unfortunately. Last time I went there was 2019. So yeah, this is happening on May 7th, Sunday, 2023. Model car, truck, and military. And they have vendors, so you can purchase stuff there. It's at the Royal Canadian Legion on Montreal Street, Kingston, Ontario, Canada. Here is the entry, like all the information. If you guys want to pause the video, you can just look at that. And actually, when I was at the hobby shop that I went to, we picked up some pretty cool stuff. Big, well, it's not big, but it's a box full of cool stuff. Boom. Tamiya spray paints. I love Tamiya spray paints. So, first we got metallic green. This is a super nice color. We don't have many greens, and the ones that we do have kind of suck. We got this pink for our Cadillac, for the Cadillac that we're going to build. This chrome yellow because I don't have any yellows. This deep metallic blue. This is probably my favorite paint out of all of them. Look at that. Sweet. There's the number if you guys want to buy it. And British green for my DeSoto interior that I'm going to be spray painting in a bit. And then I had to get another Tamiya extra thin cement because I just want to make sure I have enough, because this is the one that I already have. Already kind of running, well, not low, but it's getting used up pretty quick. So yeah, that's all the stuff in the Tamiya box. First, 1965 Plymouth Belvedere. This is by Mobius Models. I've never built one of their kits before, so this should be a new experience. There's it on the side. Nice box. Yeah, $17 I got this for. Next up we have this Revell Mercedes-Benz 190 SL Roadster. This thing is pretty awesome because this is a model kit from like the 50s or 60s, and they just re-released it. Limited edition of 5,000. Goes into detail on the back. You can pause and read if you want to. Skill level 3, so that's really awesome. And that's all I picked up. So make sure to like and subscribe. Turn on the notifications to get notified when I upload. And thank you guys for watching. Until next time, goodbye.